Ohio Minna, welcome to Neko Newsroom. So our news reporter Neko-chan has some news for us. Let's hear it.
Yes, sir. The great sage who returned from another world still plans to live a quiet life. Light novel manga adaptation will end in upcoming monthly Young Magazine issue 3 2025 out on February 20th. It's a reverse isekai by Kinoni Kyu, Ozaki Junpei and Kusaka Kou about a great sage who returns to Japan from a fantasy world after defeating the demon lord. Originally, he was transported to the fantasy world back when he was only a 15-year-old boy. But now, 19 years have passed and things have changed in the real world too. While he planned to never use his sage powers again, various new challenges in his life will make this plan quite difficult. Japanese name Isekai Garei no Deikenja Sama wa Soredemo Kuroshi Kuroshite Iru Sumori desu.
That's for all. See you in the next video.